To participate on the SDN Forums, the first thing you need to do is create an account. You can do this by clicking the Join SDN button in the top right of the homepage. Complete the registration page, which includes your email, password, and other general information, as well as your desired SDN member name. If you're a personal user, it's important to not use your real name as your member name and to keep your identity protected. However, partners or exhibitors may use their company name. Please let your SDN contact know your member name so we can add the partner or exhibitor banner to your account. After you've completed your account registration, you can access your profile by clicking on your member name on the right-hand side of the main menu bar. Here you can update your avatar, status, or other general information. If you're a partner or exhibitor, please remember your profile is subject to the rules for business and commercial members, which can be accessed by clicking Help and scrolling down to Business and Commercial Members. Once you have an account, you can begin posting to the SDN Forums. To do this, choose the forum in which you would like to post. Then click on the Post New Thread button within the forum. This blue button is on the right side and found above the forum threads. Please notice that some forums, like this one, have subforums listed, and the Post New Thread button is located below these. To create your thread, simply add a thread title and then add your text below. You can also scroll down to see other options like uploading a file to your thread or choosing to receive email notifications when someone replies to your thread. Established users can also create a poll within the thread. Finally, click Create Thread located here below the text when you're ready to post your thread. If you don't wish to create your own thread, but want to respond to another thread, you can do this by clicking on the thread, scrolling down, and writing your reply within the text box. If you want to respond to a specific post within the thread, you can click the Reply button on the bottom right of their post, and this will add the post you are replying to the top of your post. If you want to reference someone's post in your post, you can click the Quote button, which is located beside the Reply button. You can quote just one or multiple posts and then click Insert Quotes on the bottom left of your post to insert these quotes. These features allow members to either reference the question you are answering or comments you are referring to. Finally, if you have found you've made an error after creating a post, you can edit the content of your post by using the buttons below the post you have written. Thank you so much for watching. Happy posting!